Hey, what's up guys? So today we're here at a single story community in Summerlin. We're in Ashland by Taylor Morrison. Now in this video, I'm gonna be covering this single story floor plan that has 3-car garage with an option to build a next gen suite. The plan is called Heritage, so don't go anywhere. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Now, if you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on moving, buying, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor, guys. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So today is March 27, 2025, and today we're here at Ashland by Taylor Morrison here in Summerlin. Now, if you guys are unfamiliar with Summerlin, Summerlin is about 25 to 30 minutes west of the Las Vegas airport and the Strip. It's a beautiful, beautiful master plan community, one of the most highly desired areas in all of Las Vegas. As far as like price per square feet, this is gonna be the highest here in Summerlin. Now, there's so much to do out here. You have hiking, there's Red Rock close by, you have Downtown Summerlin close by, you have so many different like shopping centers, retail stores, so it definitely endless things that you can do here. Now, this community in specific is a all single story community out here. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer about 7 different floor plans here, okay? These are all single story homes. They're gonna be ranging from 2,450 square feet all the way up to 3,306 square feet, okay? So large single story homes, all 3-car garages. Now the base prices are gonna start at $1,124,900 all the way up to $1,524,900. When you look at the base price, right, just know that the lot premium and the upgrades are not included, okay? So if you want to factor in what your total cost would be, you would have to add the upgrades. So the upgrades on average buyers are usually putting about 15 to 20% of the base price in upgrades, okay? Now, as far as the lot premiums go, they vary here in this community, right? Because there's like 1 or 2 lots right now that are 0 lot premium, and then they'll have like their highest lot premium is $450,000, right? And that's gonna be more of like a guaranteed strip views. Actually, I have a little sheet that kind of will tell me some lots in lot premiums. So it looks like they have several like $30,000, $35,000 lot premiums for 40. Then they also have a couple of the $150,000 lot premiums. I see one here for 450, some that are 10, one that's 1. So just to give you an idea of how that works. Now, in this community as well, as far as the HOAs goes, the HOA is about $119 for Ashland, okay, that's the HOA, and then you're paying $60 a month for the Summerlin West. So that equals about $179 a month. They do have a SID assessment here. Now, I will have a video of, I have a short video where I explain SID and lids. I'll pop it on the screen for you guys. But the SID here is, you're gonna make bi-yearly payments of $832, okay, until the SID balance is paid. Now the balance is $21,407, okay. As far as like the average lot square feet, on average you're looking at about like 7,200 to 11,000. So, you know, still a pool size backyard if that's what you're looking to do. And also too, if you're looking to get under contract, earnest money deposit, they will collect between $50,000 to $75,000 to get you into contract, okay? Oh, there's one more thing. This community has 92 homes here, and they sold, this community is moving pretty quickly because they sold about 25, close to 30 homes, and this community has 92 lots here. So, but yeah, that's about it. Let's get started with the tour. All right, guys. So welcome to the Heritage Floor Plan. Now the Heritage Floor Plan is 2,747 square feet, 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3.5 bath, single story, 3-car garage. And the base price as of today is $1,224,900, okay? Now again here, lot premiums range. There was like 1 or 2 lots that had a $0 lot premium, but they could go all the way up to $450,000. Now, The paver driveway is included, desert landscaping. This is gonna be the sales office, but that is the 2-car garage. Okay, and then you have your 3-car garage right there. All right, so headed up to the entry door. Now you do have an 8-foot door here. Now welcome in, guys. As soon as you walk in, you have the beautiful 12-foot ceilings. That is standard. You're gonna have 12-foot ceilings like here in the living room, and then you'll have 10-foot ceilings in the bedrooms, okay? So to the left, you have your garage door, and then you're gonna have like your coat closet right here. Okay, so we'll start off on this side. Now here we do have a next gen suite. Now if you didn't want to upgrade to the next gen suite, you would have 2 bedrooms. I think, yeah, you'd have 2 bedrooms with they'll have a Jack and Jill bathroom, okay? So here, we'll go ahead and tour the next gen suite. So you can see here, this is what it looks like, but this is standard, okay? This multi-gen suite has its own little living room area, microwave, a refrigerator, in a bedroom. So this would be a perfect place for, you know, if you have guests staying over for the time being, or if you have some in-laws living with you, some family, then, you know, a little bit more privacy with a multi-gen suite. Right here, you're gonna have a linen closet. Now guys, the flooring is upgraded, okay? Standard flooring in these homes is you're gonna have like an 18 by 18 ceramic tile. That's gonna run all throughout the house except for the bedrooms. The bedrooms is carpet. But yeah, most people that are buying into these communities, of course, is gonna upgrade the flooring. Most likely gonna get the vinyl planks or some nice tile. So this is the living room. This is gonna be a queen size bed. Okay. Now every bedroom is gonna come included with a pre-wire to the ceiling fan. So that way, you know, you can have a ceiling fan in your light. Okay, you got your standard closet right here. So this model house sits on the largest lot in the community at over 14,000 square feet. So when I show you the backyard, just know this is the largest lot in the community, okay? Not there's not going to be any more lots with this size lot. So welcome to the multi-gen suite bath. Okay, upgraded shower, tile surround, very nice. Right, yeah, loving the high ceilings. Okay, so as we get to right about here, you're gonna have 2 flex rooms, okay? So this is gonna be 1 flex room. Now, there's no additional structural upgrade you can do to change this out. This is gonna be what it is, okay? Great for, you know, if you wanna make this an office, you know, work from home, this would be a really great place to do that. It's pretty spacious too. If you want to know the exact dimensions, you know, reach out to me. I could definitely tell you what the exact dimensions is. I just have to look it up. Now we'll take a look over here across the hallway. Now a couple structural upgrades you could do here, okay? So here, actually, I'll go ahead and show you the laundry room first. Okay, so we got the nice cabinets. We have a sink here. Okay. Now, as you can see, what they did is they made this a bedroom 4. Okay, so if you don't want to put in a bedroom, this would just be a flex space. So flex space, there wouldn't be a door. It would just be kind of like a room with no door. You could definitely make it a media room, put a door in it, right? Or a bedroom. That means they would have to put a closet. Another thing that you can do here as well is on the other side of this wall is you're gonna have your primary bedroom closet. If that space isn't big enough for you, you could go ahead and actually extend that out. So this would all be part of your primary bedroom closet. Okay, standard as well as you're gonna have 5.5-inch baseboards. Cool, so this is your full bath here. Oh, nice tile. We brought it all the way up to the ceiling. All right, guys, welcome to the main living area. Check this out. It's beautiful. Very, very open. Okay. So we have the, that's the optional 12-foot slider. I know most buyers are going to be doing that upgrade as well. Okay. So right over here, thing that's interesting is you're going to have 2 pantries here in this model. So you'll have this one, as well as you're going to have this one too. Okay. Right, so welcome to the kitchen. Really nice kitchen, guys. GE, so as far as the oven, the stovetop, that's standard. That's what comes with the the home, right? There's a couple of different tiers that you can upgrade into. Okay, refrigerator, washer and dryer is not included. A beautiful upgraded countertop. It looks like they brought the backsplash all the way to the well, underneath the cabinets as well as up here too, which is really nice. Okay, plenty of cabinet space. Nice, got your stainless steel undermount sink, gold fixture. Okay, dishwasher, that'll come included. Have a nice dining room area right here. So again, as you can see right here, you're gonna have the 10-foot ceilings, and in the living room, you're gonna have the 12-foot ceilings. Let's take a look at the backyard. Okay, so really large backyard. Again, this model sits in a 14,000 square foot lot. Look, you have some strip views there. But yeah, once you move into your house, your backyard is just gonna be dirt lot. So you have about 6 months, according to the HOA, to landscape your backyard. Okay, that's kind of the time frame that they'll give you here. Okay, let's take a look what we see on this side. Now guys, if you are interested in new construction homes, you're thinking about visiting for the very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. But if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure your realtor goes with you on your very first visit. It's important that you have representation, okay? So if you walk into a new build community by yourself and they ask you for your name, your phone number, and email, once you give that to them and you're not with an agent, they're gonna log you in their system as being not represented, and it's really hard to change that later, okay? Now the reason why that's important is because the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, and we look after your best interests. So, you know, definitely important to get yourself some representation. All right, let's take a look at this primary bedroom. Okay, here we are. Okay, I got this nice large window along with these 3 here. So you're gonna have plenty of light that comes in. Oh, also too, what I didn't show you is this covered patio is included right behind like the slider, but it kind of wraps around. That wrap around is optional if you want that covered patio to extend out. Okay, welcome in, guys. to the primary bath. Now, as you can see, this right here, this is going to be optional. So you can see right here, they went ahead, they did the super shower. Otherwise, you'll have the walk-in shower and shower tub there. Okay. Beautiful. Nice tile. Okay, as you can see here too, it's pretty flush, same level. Okay, so you got your toilet room. And then this is your walk-in closet. So again, guys, if this walk-in closet isn't large enough for you, just know you can extend it out to where that room was that we looked at earlier, okay? And then we have your attic access up there. Yeah, guys, that's it for the Heritage floor plan. Let me know what you guys think. And again, if you're looking, if you have any questions or if you're looking for help with this new construction process, guys, give me a call, shoot me a text. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.